Hi, Leathur Rokk here. Well, today I wanted to introduce you to a new product, well, new to me, from NYX. It is their 24-hour waterproof eyeshadow. It's a crayon, and I was really excited when I saw this at my local beauty supply, because when you have purple hair like me, you can never have too many purple crayons because these tend to be so useful. What I am using on my eyebrows right now is this eye crayon. Now, you see up close, I'm not wearing any eyeshadow at all. The only makeup I'm wearing right now is my foundation makeup and this eyebrow crayon, and I am wearing a mascara. The mascara I'm wearing is Big Lash by LA Colors, and it's not something that makes something out of nothing, and I'm not wearing an eyeliner either because I really wanted to showcase this. I have tried to make this work for me, and rather than try to describe for you what it works like on my skin, I think it's better just to show you. So, to that end, I'm going to tie my hair back so that I can make it a little bit easier to access my face. And now what I'm using in my never-ending search for things to tie my hair back, this is actually part of a sock, and I cut the cuff off of it skinny, and because it still is kind of stretchy, I use this as one of many things to tie my hair up. It's already quite hot now, and I keep cool with a fan because I don't have air conditioning. So most of the time I have to keep my hair tied up when I'm home because it's just too hot. So it's not normally the look I would want, but to be cool and comfortable, that's what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to show you what this crayon does on my skin. And the reason why I coated one eyelid with foundation is so that you can see what this looks like with bare skin and just with foundation makeup. And let's see, I guess I will try using this monitor as my mirror for this so that you can see the effect. Now this is the foundation lid, and this is the no makeup at all lid. And over foundation, you can see I'm trying to apply this, and there's hardly any color coming off at all. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring a mirror to my eyes so that I can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, there's hardly any color payoff at all on this lid, and you know you're not supposed to stretch around the eyes. I'm going to swivel it up a little bit more. I'm hardly getting anything at all. You see this? Now let's try the other eye that's got nothing on it. See? You'll hardly see this. If you're a person who expects opaque, dramatic coverage, if you got skin like mine, this might not do too much for you. I hope I don't have to close my windows. People were making a racket earlier, but I really don't want to be too stifled here. But I hope you can hear over whatever is going on, because it's over past 2 in the morning when I'm recording this. Okay, you see what's going on with this? I'm going to show you the close-up. Do you see the kind of color impact or lack of? Now you cannot really blend with this. I'm seeing that it's depositing in balls, where there's some little opaque balls and the rest of it seems to be very transparent. It's very hard to control this. It's very hard to get an even symmetrical look. And if your skin starts to get moist, if you have teary eyes, if you are sweaty, any place where your skin gets sweaty or teary or moist, you're going to see it's not going to even deposit. I mean, does this look as bad from your viewing as it does on mine? This was really a disappointment for me. This set me back. I paid full price for this. which was $2.99 plus tax. And the only thing that I can really get this to work for me is as an eyebrow color, because at least because you're covering over hair, gives you some kind of texture to grab onto. Now you see where it's see-through here, and as I try to put more on to cover what's not covering, it just seems to take off even more and more. This doesn't make any sense. Now, according to the packaging on this, it's supposed to be 24 hours, it's supposed to last, it's supposed to be waterproof. Well, maybe it is waterproof. Actually, I've splashed my face, and the eyebrows won't come off until I actually remove them, but I could even rub them and they'll come off. But look at this. Is this what you call full coverage? Is this what you call opaque? Now I'm going to try to see if I can get any kind of a look of an eyeliner from this, even though keep in mind that I do have a light coat of mascara on. Now, because this does not have a thin point, it's rather rounded, so I'm going to go on an angle like this, try to get some kind of a liner. Of course, what it's doing is it's just smearing the mascara. I don't know, can you see anything? But what do you think about the corners of this, though? See, you cannot blend it, you cannot variegate the color at all. All I'm doing is I'm trying to intensify it, is it seems to be taking off the color that's in the corners. You see how it's unevenly distributed? Take a look at this. Does that look right to you? I can't see that having the eyelid that does not have any makeup on it looks any better than the one that has makeup on it. Now, I have tried this with a number of different kinds of sunblock, and I am wearing sunblock. I'm wearing an SPF 50 cream sunblock on my face and also on my eyelids. But look at this. Now, if I had the ability to do a fast forward on this, if I could do all that fancy video editing and things, then I would let you see what this looks like after a couple hours. Some of the reviews I've read stated that this doesn't crease and this doesn't smudge. Well, it creased on me. But look how much back and forth I had to go just to get some kind of coverage. I was really disappointed in this. I mean, and the color is even off a little bit. It's not quite a perfect hair match. It skews a little bit bluer than most of my hair is. But the only thing I can do with this really is use it as an eyebrow color, because the eyeshadow, as an eyeshadow function, it doesn't give total coverage. When I try to cover up, you see, look what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to cover up the spot that's got no makeup on it. And the more I put on there, it just takes off makeup instead of depositing. Tell me that this is acceptable. If I was a makeup artist and I was working on models backstage somewhere and this kept on happening, they would fire me. Okay? So I don't understand how companies can make products that don't work. Look at this. I'm trying to put eyeshadow on and it is literally taking it off. You see what's happening here? Tell me this makes sense. Now, if you bought this product and it works for you, I'm amazed at the kind of body you must have that it doesn't reject this makeup. It is literally, this eyeshadow is literally balling and coming off and peeling off. Look at this. It looks like I'm taking it off. Does this make any sense to you? I don't like to diss companies. I really did not set out to make a video trashing a product. Now, this NYX company, they make good products. I like their lipsticks. I like their blushes. I like their eyeshadow palettes. They have all kinds of products. This I really wanted to love. It's a product that I thought would be very useful, but as an eyeshadow, look at it. I don't know how the heck I'm going to fix this. I'm not looking in my mirror. I'm looking at my computer right now. I'm going to trying to fix it with my finger. I don't know how long that's going to last. I was really disappointed in this. So, there you have it. Maybe you have better luck with this product. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my series, feel free to subscribe, hit that bell notification thingy, and you will be let know when I make my next upload. I don't always talk about makeup, I talk about lots of things, but I would love to have you join my family. I'm going to take my hair down now, and I'm going to shut this off so I can put my fan on because it's really hot where I am, because it's officially summertime. Okay, well, hopefully I'll find a better eye crayon because this is really not what I wanted. And to pay almost $3, alright, not cool. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.